Hey beautiful, so I'm going to create this look right here. I tried something new, something different. This is going to be a voiceover because it was 3 in the morning, so yeah. So it's going to be a voiceover. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. So let's begin. I'm going to be going in with the Glam Light palette. This is my first time using this palette. So going in with the yellow, I'm just going to pat this in my crease and then gently start buffing it. So I'm just going pat, pat, build up that color, and then lightly start blending it. I really want this color to pop because this is going to be the color that is in the back. Do you know what I mean? So yeah. Now going in with this orange shade, I'm going to do the same technique and I'm just going to pat, pat, and then start to blend. So just patting motions and then blending it out. So pat, 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 then blending. I even went in with a smaller brush so that I could build up the color more. So just try to see what works for you. So I went in with the smaller LA Girl brush and then I just built up that color. Then went in with the Makeup Shack blending brush and then I just blended that orange out, kind of buffing it with the yellow. But yeah, so just going back and forth and blending so that everything just blends well together. And it works perfect. Now going in with this really pretty wine shade, I'm just going to tap it in my crease and then blend it. So again, with a lot of these shades, I noticed that tap, 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 building up the shade and then blending, and it really worked. So just doing that, and it makes these colors pop a lot, and they look so beautiful. So going back in with the blending brush and going in with the orange shade, I'm just going to add more since I felt like that kind of wine shade took away that color of the orange. So I'm just going to go back in with the orange and then blend that in. Now going back in with the wine shade again and blending that. Going in with a little bit of the yellow and adding it because I feel like it's disappearing as I'm adding more colors and I want that color to still pop through. So I'm adding it right there in my inner eye as well, just so that you guys can see it. See? Looks like a pretty sunset. Now, going back in with the one shade again, I do want this color to stand out as well. I want all the colors to stand out, but I just have to go back in and kind of build up those colors again, you know? So now, time to cut the crease. So I'm just going to cut my crease a little bit higher than I normally would because I'm going to try something new. So I went in with the Jeffree Star concealer and I'm just going to cut my crease. When cutting your crease, just take your time, lay it out, and then I find just going in slow motion, like pat motions like that, it works really good. So after I did that, I went in with an eyeliner brush and I added some red, and I'm just going to deepen right there in the crease so that it pops. Then I'm going to lightly blend with a Makeup Shack brush, blend it out, and then I went back in to deepen the color again, and I found doing this technique really helped and it really made my crease pop. Now going in with the Makeup Shack for the Rainforest palette, I went in with one of the reddest reds in there and I added that in my crease and I just lightly started blending. Do you see how there's kind of like a harsh line with the yellow and the red? I'm going to take care of that. But I just wanted to lay down this color first to make the crease pop. Now going in with the yellow shade, I'm going to start blending so that there's no harsh lines at all. Anytime you lay a color down, make sure that you blend it so that there's no harsh lines at all, unless that's the look you're going for. So you just see me blending it here, went in with a little bit of the orange, and yeah. So now going in with the LA Colors Ultimate Coverage Concealer, I'm going to cut the crease again, kind of, but I'm just focusing it right here in my crease, just right here. So I'm just doing the little tapping motions because it gets really sticky, which I really like because it makes the eyeshadow adhere a lot better. So I'm going to go in with this orange eyeshadow and I'm just going to tap, tap. So I'm just tapping that on, making sure that this really pops because I'm going to cut the crease again and the orange is going to be kind of like the eyeliner. I wanted to try something new. I was up late. The babies were up late. So yeah, that's why I'm doing a voiceover as well. So I'm adding this in the crease and doing tapping motions. Then you guys see I'm going back in with the concealer. So you can make this eyeliner as thick as you want, as thin as you want. I try to go for medium. So anyways, so you see I'm cleaning it up, tap, tap. There you go. Going back in, making sure that it's sharp. Now going in with this yellow shimmery shade. This is, well, yellow like goldish shimmery shade. This was beautiful, you guys. I didn't even have to wet it. It looks so freaking nice. And I love the way this whole look went together with it. It's beautiful. I like it a lot. Now going in with this blue. This color didn't pop as much as I wanted it to, but that's okay. So I just added a little bit towards the end of my eye, as much as I could, add a little bit. Then I was like, all right, I'm going to go back in with the red shade. So I dipped from the Glam Light palette, the red shade, and the Makeup Shack red eyeshadow. So just grab a red eyeshadow, and I just literally tapped it over the blue, and it made this really kind of purplish color. It's really pretty. Now I added the same color that I added on my lid, the yellowish gold, underneath my eyebrow. So now for face. Going in with this watermelon balm, and adding this all over my face and priming my face, making it ready because the winter has made my skin really, really dry and very, very sick. That's why I sound sick right now. Now going in with the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. This is going to look so good with that primer that we added because it just makes it look so flawless, so nice. So I'm just going to blend it in with the Luxie foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend it all over my face. I do small patting motions and then I blend. Now for my eyebrows, I like to go in with the smaller brush because I don't like to mess up my eyebrows. So I go in with the smaller brush and then I go back in with my regular brush and I just start blending away. Now going in with the LA Girl Luminous Glow, I like to add this to my cheekbones, my nose, my upper lip, and my chin. I have a bad habit of tightening things, you guys, and I broke it. Anyways, now going in and blending this in with the Luxie brush that we use for our foundation. Just blending it in, this is going to give us a really nice glow. I love doing this under foundation and on top of foundation. Now going in with the J Cat Beauty blush, Marshmallow Blush. I use this shade to contour, and it really gives me a really pretty contouring look. Now using the Makeup Revolution concealer, I'm just going to add concealer underneath my eyes, my nose, my upper lip, and my chin. And I really like how this really pops. And this one feels very, very hydrating. I know it's a hydrating concealer. It kicks culo, you guys. And I'm using a brush. I never really use a brush to blend out my concealer, but I've been loving it. Now going in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect to set my under eyes and my whole face. I love using the Peach Perfect because it seriously gives your face a filter. And you just look so smooth and so pretty. So now going in with this orange eyeliner. I did not find it until after, so I was pretty mad because I could have used this in my crease. But anyways, I'm adding this to my bottom lash line, well, waterline, and then I'm going to add some of that orange to my bottom lash line and blend it. I really loved how this really just looked and it blew out. It's freaking beautiful. I love orange. I love yellow. It's just, oh, gorgeous. Now going in with that wine shade, and we're going to add it to our bottom lash line as well, blending those two colors together, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now going in with the Hank & Henry mascara. The bottom mascara is freaking bomb, you guys. It gives me bottom lashes. Like, look, it looks so freaking good. I've been obsessed with it. I'm so glad I got it in my box of charm. It's amazing. Now going in with my Physician Formula Butter palette. This is the blush, bronzer, and highlighting powder palette, and I'm using the blush, and it looks so nice. Now using the Revolution highlighter palette. Sorry guys, I'm so sick. And I'm just adding some highlighter to my cheekbones, my nose, and all that good stuff. Now going in with Thrive Cosmetics lip liner. I'm going to add that, then fill it in to make my lips more of that shade. And then I'm going to add Velvet Teddy in the center, then going in with a Maybelline lip gloss, and boom, the look is done. I'm so sorry, you guys. I sound like poopy, but I wanted to get this look up for you guys because I really was proud of it. Like, look, I really stepped out of my comfort zone in the way of like how I did it, like a double crease eyeliner thing. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's just something different, and I'm very proud. So I hope you guys loved it as much as I did. Now I wanted to do something different and add my night routine. So how I remove my makeup. Now going in with my Drunk Elephant cleansing balm, and I'm just going to remove all my makeup that I just applied. And then going in with the Makeup Shack cleansing wipe and just remove it. Going in with my Sand and Sky. This is really good, you guys. It really just scrubs away all the dirt you have on your face, and it just like polishes your face for the next day. It's literally amazing. So I go in with my face, and make sure to get your neck and forehead. Look at my little Nina. She didn't want to wear a headband. She's so freaking cute. I love her so much. Now going in with the face mask. I love using face masks, you guys. If you guys don't have Facetory, it's a face mask subscription. Definitely check into it. It's freaking awesome. Masking, you can never go wrong. So I leave this on, look at her, for 15 minutes and then remove. My skin feels automatically hydrated. My skin feels amazing. So then I can finish my night routine. Now going in with the Body Shop eye cream. I was gonna say eye balm. Eye cream. I'm just going to add a good amount using my ring finger. Now going in with my Sunday Rally Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. I love using this at night because it's so thick, and in the morning my skin feels super duper soft. And I feel like it soaks into your skin very, very fast. Like you're not sitting there looking like a grease ball all night. It just goes into the skin. And I like to rub it in my eyebrows too because I feel like it really does help my eyebrows grow. I don't know if I'm crazy, but it's been working. And I rub the rest on my hands. So there you go, you guys. I got you guys a makeup tutorial and a skincare routine. Hope you guys like. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!